Now we're going to take a look at being told what the transformation is and writing the equation. So we've got our exponential 5 to the x power transformed by a horizontal compression of half. So horizontal stretches and compressions get grouped with the x, and it's the opposite of what you think. So if it's a compression, it looks like a stretch. So our exponent is 2 times x, and a vertical shift down, so that's outside the asylum, 3 units. Okay, so finding the equation of our asymptote, we've got an exponential function that's been shifted down. So the parent function asymptote is y equals 0, so down 3 is y equals negative 3. The domain, we can still raise our exponent to any power. Range, because it was shifted down 3, y is now greater than negative 3. And our y-intercept, substituting 0 for x, we have 5 to the 0 power is 1, minus 3 is negative 2. So a quick sketch of what this might look like: 0, negative 2, and our asymptote now is negative 3. So we have, and this one would grow really quickly, probably even faster than I did because the base is 5. So 5 to the second power would be off the chart already. Last example. Are you excited? I know I am. I'm ready to be done with this unit, even though I love logs. These are my favorites. All right, so we've got log base 3 of x transformed by a reflection across both axes. We don't have to think when we're writing this whether it would be multiplied on the outside or the inside, because we multiplied both, one for each reflection. Equation of the asymptote. So for the log function, the parent function would be the y-axis, which is x equals 0. The reflections don't change that, only a shift would. Domain. Well, we know we reflected it both directions, so that changes the domain to x is less than 0. Remember, what you're taking the log of must be positive, so you set negative x greater than 0. When you divide by the negative, it flips the inequality. Range is still all real numbers, it's just going to be upside down looking, and our x-intercept will flip across the y-axis to negative 1, 0. All right, so give me half a second. I want to make sure that graph isn't highlighted so I can draw on it. We've got our new x-intercept. Our asymptote didn't change. And it's going to be upside down. So, because I'm a visual person, this is the parent function. So an upside down one is going to look like this, but we also flipped it across the x-axis. I literally had to do that because I couldn't picture in my head what I was going to be drawing for you. So it's going to look something like this with both reflections. All right, and the U-try I made a little bit challenging, but let me give you a little hint on here. So this time, the base of our exponential is 2. Actually, I didn't make it as challenging as I thought. I was looking at it as a 0.25. So you'll be fine on this one. This is still an exponential growth. Good luck. Try this one, and I'll see you tomorrow.